guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to rewind us a little bit because right now I'm about ready to go to a concert, but I'm going to take you back to some footage that I filmed on the Big Island. We went for a project that we did, and so we went to Kilauea Military Camp, which is a military camp on Kilauea, which is a volcano, so super cool. We've got some cool like drone footage of the island and some different things, and a really cool cabin tour that I want to show you guys. But yes, so enjoy the clips of the Big Island. Is it on? Yeah. Do I look cute? Yes. Where do I look?
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost.
We hopped over to Big Island for 2 days. Today has been kind of go, go, go. We've been trying to get some product shots for Love Fitness Apparel, and Jamie works for Cat Footwear, so we've been getting some stuff for that as well. So I'm so excited about that. I'm gonna include a short little clip in this video, but we stopped by the South Point. So when we first get here, we flew into Kona, and we drove down to South Point, which is the southernmost point in the US, fun fact. And it's a really dry, kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's more country out that way. It's really beautiful. There's green sand beach. We didn't make it down there. We were running out of light. So we stopped at the black sand beach and got a ton of really cool stuff. It is so amazing. I wish we had more time to like actually stay there, but I'm super sunburnt, so kind of not wanting to be in the sun today. We are on our way up to some cabins. It's called Kilauea Military Camp. I will show you guys where we are staying. All right, we are here. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a cabin tour. We are cabin number 18. Squeaky door. Okay, so over here we have a sitting area, fireplace, this living room area. Super cute. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's got this little cute little light. Such a perfect little cabin. There's the bathroom area, toilet, shower, and then we have a two bed one. And this is the room. TV. It's just so quaint, and it's like a little bit chillier out here, but we are gonna get some dinner and just kind of relax and hang out, play some games, and just kind of check out the camp. We've been here before, so yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Right here you can see the steam vents from Kilauea, the volcano, and recently within the past year it had erupted, but it didn't erupt here. The crater floor actually dropped and there were fissures that opened up, and the lava was coming out near people's homes and across streets, and people had to evacuate, so it was a pretty devastating time here. It was just kind of eerie to see, but these steam vents were kind of insane. Back when we came to Kilauea Military Camp before, you could go out at night and see the glowing lava, and it was really cool, but since the eruption, there's a lot of things that have changed there that are now closed, but it was still really cool to see. In the video, you'll see some drone footage of lava, and that was a fresh lava flow that's super new. So just kind of interesting to see and kind of see like where it came from, and it created a new black sand beach. So anyways, that was a little bit about what happened. We loved our time here on the Big Island, and I hope to be going back really soon. Also next in the video, you're gonna see us at the summit of Mauna Kea, which is over 13,000 feet in elevation. It was insane. It was freezing. The sunset was mind-blowing. It was above the clouds. It was so cool, such an amazing experience. But yeah, that is Mauna Kea, and I highly recommend checking that out if you guys are ever on Big Island.
So we just watched the sun go down, and we were jumping all over the place.
And I'm so out of breath because I think up here there's like 40% less oxygen. We're at 13,000 feet, above 13,000. And yeah, over there, I don't know if the video will show, but you can see Haleakala on Maui. And we are above all of the clouds. It was amazing. It's freezing. How cold is it, guys?
41? It's gotta be cold now.
Yeah, it's cold.
Sure.
Jane, how was it?
It was super fun. It was beautiful.
Have you caught your breath?
Yeah, I feel okay. I feel good.
That was super amazing. Highly, highly recommend this.
Unreal.
So beautiful. You can't even describe it. Like, I don't even know if it's gonna show it on the video as well. But it's amazing. For anyone watching, if you guys come out here, I had a winter coat on, a fleece, a long sleeve, and a blanket, and I was cold. So just be prepared.
It literally looks like another planet.
This is the
It really
shit.
does. It looks like Mars on the other side.
Oh, it's unreal. It like hurts my heart to look at.
It's so incredible.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, swear that I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to just call on me to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Savannah.